Guys, today we talk about HMD Pulse Pro. It's launched on April 2024. The dimensions of HMD Pulse Pro: height 6.4 inch, width 2.9 inch, thickness 8.6 mm. The weight is 196 gram and the build front glass, plastic back and plastic frame. The display of HMD Pulse Pro, it comes with IPS LCD 16 color and the screen size is 6.65 inch with 86.8% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 720p and the ppi intensity is 265. The refresh rate is 90 Hz and 600 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection is not available at this time, and the platform of HMD Pulse Pro, it's come with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Unisoc T606 bar 12nm and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A75. The GPU is Mali G57. The memory of HMD Pulse Pro, it's come with 4, 6 and 8 gigs of RAM and 1 to 8 gigs of ROM. Micro SD card support in this mobile. Let's go to the camera setup. The HMD Pulse Pro comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor and it records 1080p 30 fps video record. The selfie camera is 50 megapixel and it records 1080p 30 fps video too. Let's go to the battery backup. It comes with 5000 mAh battery with 20 watt fast wired charging. No wireless charging, no reverse charging in this mobile. The commons and the features of HMD Pulse Pro. It has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, stereo speakers, USB Type-C, fingerprint side mounted, NFC, UFS and many more. The price of HMD Pulse Pro is $180.